Tesla's Gigafactory Texas facility will be expanded by 1.4 million square feet, with the automaker filing $716 million in new projects at the site. According to filings with the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation, Tesla filed for 4 new projects on January 9th. Welcome to First Class Tech, and in this video, we will take a look at everything you need to know about Tesla's Giga Texas expansion. Tesla has filed an application with the Texas Department of Licensing for a $700 million expansion of Gigafactory Texas in Austin. Giga Texas is already a massive factory. That becomes clear as you drive alongside it, which takes some time due to its length of nearly a mile. According to new filings, the planned construction will increase Tesla's footprint in Austin, and work would begin in the coming weeks. It is the second major employer after Apple to indicate this week in Austin that now is a time to build for the future, despite the uncertainty on the horizon in the coming year. Tesla is already producing Model Y vehicles at the factory, but the lines only take up a small portion of the massive facility. Tesla intends to add Cybertruck production to the existing facility and has discussed expanding for future vehicle programs and battery production. Tesla filed for a factory expansion with the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation today. The $717 million construction investment for an additional 1.4 million square feet of space is part of the expansion. In typical Tesla fashion, the company intends to move quickly, with construction beginning as early as the end of the month. According to the Austin Business Journal, 4 projects are part of the expansion. According to the filings, the projects are filed separately because they will expand 4 different facilities. Tesla assigned the projects the designations Cell 1, Drive Unit, Cathode, and Cell Test Lab. The largest of the 4 projects is Cell 1, a 693,093 square foot facility with an estimated cost of $368 million. This project is also the most expensive. Construction on the project is scheduled to begin on January the 23rd and end on February 12th of 2024. Drive Unit, the project with the next largest footprint, will be 423,032 square feet. The project is expected to cost $85 million. Construction is scheduled to begin on February 6 and end on January 15th of 2024. Cathode, at 321,186 square feet, would be the 3rd largest project, but also the 2nd most expensive at $260 million. The project is scheduled to begin and end on December 18th. Cell Test Lab, the smallest of the 4 projects, will be 2,560 square feet in size, slightly larger than the average Starbucks, and will cost an estimated $3.7 million. That project has a start date of January 30th and an end date of August the 25th. Some of those expansion filings, however, may be supplements to previous plans. According to recent drone flyovers of the construction site, the cathode plant is already under construction. Tesla writes in the filings that the projects are for ground-up and complete interior finish out of the electric vehicle manufacturing facility. Tesla bought the company's humanoid robot, Tesla Semi, and its upcoming vehicles, built on the Generation 3 vehicle platform, are all expected to be built at the Gigafactory Texas site in the future. The design firm associated with all of the projects is simply referred to as Giga Texas. Tesla's Gigafactory construction began in 2020 with an estimated total Austin campus size of 4 million square feet. The electric vehicle company is the largest manufacturer in Central Texas, and these most recent filings would widen the gap between first and second place. NXP Semiconductors, with a campus of 2.68 million square feet, is the next largest Central Texas manufacturer. In addition to these most recent filings, Tesla filed a $58 million, 174,979 square foot project called Plastics on December 20th. Construction on that project was set to begin on December 27th of 2022. Tesla's footprint in Austin would increase to approximately 5.6 million square feet. With these 5 most recent projects, recent revelations have cast doubt on Tesla's immediate future in Austin. For example, Elon Musk tweeted in October that the Texas Gigafactory would ramp up production in the coming year, even if a hard recession hit. Then in December, a report claimed that Tesla would downsize in 2023. On top of that, the company's value has dropped a lot in the last year. Musk was recently inducted into the Guinness Book of World Records as the person who lost the most money due to market madness. By the way, if you're watching us for the first time, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Now coming back to the topic. The projects, according to the Austin Business Review, will provide Tesla with an extra 1.4 million square feet on site at Gigafactory Texas, and construction could begin as soon as the end of the month. The 4 new facilities will cost a total of $716,700,000. Tesla has long planned to construct a cell facility at Gigafactory Texas. According to Travis County filings, filed to build a cathode plant at Gigafactory Texas in February of 2022. The cell facility will not only supplement Tesla's efforts to expand electric vehicle manufacturing in the US, but it will also assist Tesla in becoming less reliant on suppliers for its products. Tesla currently has several battery cell supply agreements, the most notable of which is with Panasonic in the United States. However, the expansion of the EV market has resulted in a scarcity of battery cells, and battery materials. Panasonic, a Tesla battery partner, has stated that construction on its Kansas, US plant will begin in November this year. With such a short time frame for the facility, Panasonic is reportedly hoping to begin mass production by March of 2025. Panasonic is making a serious play for the fast-growing electric vehicle segment in the United States with its Kansas plant. Panasonic already provides batteries to Tesla via Gigafactory Nevada. The upcoming Kansas plant will supply batteries for Tesla's Giga Texas facility. Panasonic announced in July of 2022 that it had chosen Kansas as a new location for its battery factory, though later reports suggested that the Japanese conglomerate is also considering a facility in Oklahoma. Panasonic, for its part, has stated that the initial production capacity of the upcoming Kansas plant will be around 30 GWh. Kansas officials have expressed enthusiasm for Panasonic's new battery plant. State officials stated in July that the facility, up to 4,000 jobs, with a $4 billion investment. Panasonic Energy Company President Kazuo Tadanobu stated in a statement that the company is looking to increase its battery production capacity in North America. As the global shift to EVs accelerates, we are looking into ways to strengthen our North American battery production capacity and meet the growing demand from our automotive partners, Tadanobu said. Panasonic's Kansas plant would produce 2,170 cells. However, there are high hopes that the Japanese company will produce Tesla's newer and larger 4680 cells in the facility. Tesla and Panasonic are currently collaborating on the development of 4680 cells, with the Japanese battery manufacturer planning to begin production of the new batteries in Japan during this fiscal year. Tesla, which introduced its new 4680 cells several years ago, intends to incorporate these new batteries into a variety of projects. Most notably, the Model Y from Gigafactory Texas, which began customer deliveries last year. Meanwhile, the Texas state legislature is considering levying a tax on electric vehicle owners to fund road maintenance and improvement, and EV owners are supportive. Many consumers prefer electric vehicles, not only because of their environmental benefits, but also because of their lower cost of ownership. However, that lower cost is now being challenged by a tax proposed by members of the Texas state legislature that would either tax EV owners per mile driven or yearly with a flat fee. And perhaps most surprisingly, EV owners in Texas support the concept. Tesla has postponed several projects in recent years due to battery constraints. However, the construction of cathode and cell manufacturing plants at Giga Texas could alleviate these shortages as EV sales grow. Tesla intends to build a Cybertruck in Texas as well, but the packs are currently manufactured in Vermont due to the lack of a cell manufacturing plant in Austin. Tesla will presumably also manufacture drive units for its vehicles in Texas. And with that being said, it is time to end our video. Before that, we would like to know, what expectations do you have from this Giga Texas expansion? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this one. We will see you in the next video.